Hey guys, it's Josh from EasyKleen. Today we're here with our tri-axle trailer, 7,000 pound axles on this baby. This is 20 feet long, fully enclosed, fully insulated, so walls, ceiling, roof. This is a steel deck trailer. Inside here we have our 250 dry steam generators. We have our 525 gallon water tank, our fuel cell, our diesel generator. One of the nice things on their trailers here, we have a 12,000 pound jack here. This is a heavy duty jack. Not typical what you see on a lot of enclosed trailers now. A lot of them, manufacturers put a cheaper jacks on them. This is standard on all our enclosed trailers, 12,000 pound heavy jack. Not going to be something you're going to have to replace in 6 months when somebody drops it. So that's well built. Our adjustable coupler, so you know, all our customers are hauling with different trucks. So that is a nice feature on our trailer that's standard. Again, that you're not going to find that on a lot of enclosed trailers. That's going to be a special order. That's standard on ours. So you just have to specify what you want and we'll do it for you. So inside here, guys, we have our 150 gallon fuel cell. We have our 525 gallon water tank. The pump systems for our dry steam generator, we have them located at the front of the trailer. We have our antifreeze tank there, so we have 35 gallon antifreeze. We have a dump valve on this tank here, so for draining the water out, open that dump valve. On the outside of the trailer, we actually have a 2-inch fill, so right beside the step there, if you got a fire hydrant or a fill spot, you can hook right up for a quick fill. At the front here, we have our 1500 electric heater here, and we have our Kubota diesel generator. So we'll just step out and we'll go to the rear of the trailer here. We'll show you the setup. But we're just going to talk about the trailer here. So as you see, these generators here, control panels are easy to access. You got the step here to get up inside. All your gauges are easy to read. Nice little setup here. So it's all manifold in. This goes up to the middle of our trailer here, where our connection points are for our steam hose. So we have 6 2-inch connection points per steam. Again, just depending on what our customer wants to do, they could be heating 3 or 4 rail cars up at the same time. They might be doing 2 different liners. So just depending on what our customer wants, gives them the flexibility. They can be pre-hooking up other rail cars and disconnecting. So again, just gives them more flexibility. So if you look at it here, it's nice and tidy, easy to get at. The controls, oil pressure, pressure on the steamers, temperature gauge, everything's easy to get to. Here on the side of the trailer here, guys, we have our access door. This is for our manifold system. So we have 6 connection points here. This door folds down. It's nice because it actually, for hooking up your steam, you're not beating your hoses off your fender and wrecking that fender. And again, it's not putting a lot of strain on your manifold or your steam hose. So it's nice. And if your work area, you want to put your gloves on or your stuff, it kind of gives you a little work area to work off of. Nice little thing that we took into consideration, the stoppers. So again, just those little details. You don't want to beat your fenders up, so nice little setup. Gives you flexibility, 6 connection points here. So like I said, we sell a lot of these to the rail industry. We're selling a lot of these into liner companies, a lot of specialty contractors, frac tanks, lots to do with the oil and gas sector. So with this, it gives you flexibility. You can hook up 2 rail cars at once. You know, go over and hook up another rail car, and as you're finishing one, you can actually be hooking hoses up. So just gives you flexibility. Again, if they're doing a couple liners, they can run 2 different hoses to 2 different locations. And for the rail cars, just gives you a lot of abilities and a lot of options too. So if you're interested in learning any more about our dry steam generators or any of our enclosed trailers, give us a call today at 1-800-315-5533.